So I hope you're all doing well. If you haven't seen, DaVinci Resolve 17 just released their new beta. We're on beta 8 now, and there was a lot of improvements that I personally had issues with that, I've seen resolved, which is pretty good, mainly around like fusion elements and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm really thrilled with this update. I really am interested to see if any of you that are running the beta getting the new beta 8, if you guys have seen improvements in a couple of things that might have not been working. From the looks of it, it looks like they've added a lot. One thing that I've noticed reading through these is these might all be like really big items that are on the list currently, but there were a bunch of like small improvements in the UI that I've also noticed that they didn't put here. So there is definitely a lot more improvements than what are listed here. I guess it's just showing the most significant improvements, or like the biggest ones that people have talked about. So with this update, I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that we're right around the corner of a full release. I don't really know how many other bug reports that they're getting and how many things they're fixing or in the process of fixing, and then putting out these to get more people to submit bug reports. But hopefully it's soon. If you guys are using the beta and you do run into issues, submit your bug report so that we can get this into a full release. I would really like to finally be using a full release and not a beta, because then more people would be using all the new improvements that were in 17, as a whole. I've been working on a new pack. You guys might have seen it. It's like a glitch pack, and I have footage of like me working on it like this. All right, well, this is a little different. I couldn't sleep, so decided that I was gonna work on building a pack. I have a sit stand desk. I noticed that you can see like, so yeah, I'm just going to work on an idea that I had. Maybe I am tired and I shouldn't be doing this, but I didn't really know how to show like my process in doing it. I wanted to stream more, but I don't really know what to stream and what would be interesting. And one of the ideas that I had was finding a random idea to run with. So maybe there's a transition in a video or a film or some type of graphic or something like that. Starting off the stream with, I'm going to figure out how to create this in DaVinci Resolve using Fusion and stream that whole thing. And then obviously people aren't going to want to sit there and watch, a 4 or 5 hour stream, depending on how long it takes to make whatever it is that's in the film. So then I could take that, make that into like a short highlight of how I went about making it. I'm curious. I guess this is my testing the waters and seeing what people think of an idea like that. Obviously, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea to sit there and watch someone figure out how to do it. Maybe you like the idea of seeing my process and figuring it out, because maybe that process will help you. Because a lot of the times it's just problem solving. You have an idea, you think you know how to execute it, but then you can't figure out some aspect of the look that you just can't get right. So that was pretty much my idea. There were a couple of big improvements with the newest version of DaVinci Resolve 17 Beta 8 for Windows and Linux that always worked in Mac. So there will be a new set of tools that I'm going to be releasing. I've already worked on them, but when I did my testing, I realized that it wasn't working for all platforms, and it looks like now with this new update that it is now working. So I can't wait to show you guys that as well. So just been kind of working on the transitions pack, running into a couple of beta issues, submitting my the bug reports, and yeah, so that's kind of what I've been doing. Like I said, I wanted to stream. Really want to hear your insight. If you guys do like that, I guess in the comments, let me know that you guys do like that, and maybe put in there what it is that you would like to see. Just note that you can't really put links in comments because they get blocked and yada yada. So just give me a description or the name of whatever it is, and I can then look it up and see if that's something that, if I haven't done it on the channel already, that I could, jump into and do. So yeah, so that's pretty much it that I have here. If you are using the beta, try out beta 8. If there are any issues, submit those. Would really like to see, you know, this come out of beta and get into a full release, because I know a lot of other people that are using DaVinci Resolve for work. They can't really go into a beta because it's, you know, a lot of uncertainty. So yeah, and I feel like there's a lot of tools in 17 that a lot of people should take advantage of. If you are, you know, diving into the public beta, give 8 a try. But yeah, I'm kind of running around in circles at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much it. With that being said, my name's JR. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll talk to you guys later.